The solar system's missing planet has only one place left to hide. A recently submitted study to the Astronomical Journal continues to search for the elusive Planet 9, also called Planet X Nibiru, which is a hypothetical planet that potentially orbits in the outer reaches of our solar system and well beyond the orbit of the dwarf planet Pluto. The goal of the study was to narrow down the possible locations of Planet 9, Planet X, and holds the potential to help researchers better understand the makeup of our solar system, along with its formation and evolutionary processes. So, what was the motivation behind this study regarding narrowing down the location of a potential Planet 9? Dr. Mike Brown, who is a Richard and Barbara Rosenberg Professor of Astronomy at Caltech and lead author of the study, tells Universe Today, "We are continuing to try to systematically cover all of the regions of the sky where we predict Planet 9 to be, and using data from Pan-STARRS allowed us to cover the largest region to date." Pan-STARRS, which stands for Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, is a collaborative astronomical observation system located at Haleakala Observatory in Hawaii and operated by University of Hawaii's Institute of Astronomy, with telescope construction being funded by the U.S. Air Force. For the study, the researchers used data from Data Release 2 DR2 with the goal of narrowing down the possible location of Planet 9, Planet X, based on findings from past studies. In the end, the team narrowed down possible locations of Planet 9 by eliminating approximately 78% of possible locations that were calculated from previous studies. Additionally, the researchers also provided new estimates for the approximate semi-major axis, measured in astronomical units AUs, the Earth mass size of Planet 9 at 500 and 6.6 respectively. So what are the most significant results from this study, and what follow-up studies are currently being conducted or planned? Well, I would love to say that the most significant result was finding Planet 9. We didn't, Dr. Brown tells Universe Today. So instead, it means that we have significantly narrowed down the search area. We've now surveyed approximately 80% of the regions where we think Planet 9 might be. In terms of follow-up studies, Dr. Brown tells Universe Today, "I think that the LSST is the most likely survey to find Planet 9, and when it comes online in a year or two, it will quickly cover much of the search space, and if Planet 9 is out there, we'll find it," he said. The LSST stands for Legacy Survey of Space and Time. It's an astronomical survey currently scheduled as a 10-year program to study the southern sky and take place at the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, which is presently under construction. Objectives for LLST include studying identifying near-Earth asteroids, NEAs, and small planetary bodies within our solar system, but also include deep space studies as well. And these include investigating the properties of dark matter and dark energy and the evolution of the Milky Way galaxy. But what is the importance of finding Planet 9? Dr. Brown tells Universe Today, "This would be the fifth largest planet of our solar system and the only one with a mass between Earth and Uranus. Such planets are common around other stars, and we would suddenly have a chance to study one in our own solar system." Scientists began hypothesizing the existence of Planet 9 shortly after the discovery of Neptune in 1846, including an 1880 memoir authored by D. Kirkwood and later in 1946 paper authored by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, who was responsible for discovering Pluto in 1930. More recent studies include studies from 2016 and 17 presenting evidence for the existence of Planet 9, the former of which was co-authored by Dr. Brown. This most recent study marks the most complete investigation of narrowing down the location of Planet 9, which Dr. Brown has long believed exists, telling Universe Today, "There are too many separate signs that Planet 9 is there. The solar system is very difficult to understand without Planet 9, he says. We're talking about Planet X Nibiru here. He continues by telling University that Planet 9 explains many things about orbits of objects in the outer solar system that would be otherwise unexplainable and would each need some sort of separate explanation. The cluster of the directions of the orbits is the best known, but there is also the large perihelion distances of many objects, existence of highly inclined and even retrograde objects, and the high abundance of very eccentric orbits which cross inside the orbit of Neptune. None of these should happen in the solar system, but all are easily explainable as an effect of Planet 9, Planet X. Does Planet 9 exist, and where will we find it in the coming years and decades? Only time will tell, and this is why we have science. This was originally from Universe Today, and it's by Lawrence Tognetti on Science Alert. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.